Hello, I'm Tynan.
And I'm Nathan, and we are the co-chairs of the Bowling Green State University chapter of the Young Democratic Socialists of America. We founded the BGSU YDSA because we are activists.
We may be a young organization, but our mission is to create positive, meaningful change in our community.
Whether that's volunteering for local political campaigns,
Assisting with vital community support services,
or advocating for student, worker, faculty, and human rights, we are ready to answer the call and fight for you.
YDSA is an organization for the good of everyone.
If this is something that you want to be a part of or just learn more about, please email us at bgsuydsa@gmail.com.
We are the BGSU YDSA.
Come learn with us
Work with us.
and change our community for the better.